Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Hackett. I'm an emergency physician here at the Telluride Medical Center, and I'm the director of the Institute for Altitude Medicine. My real specialty and passion is high altitude medicine. It's the holidays, and it's time to invite friends and family up here to Telluride for a vacation. And there's a few tips that we can offer for keeping people healthy at high altitude. High altitude is a bit of a stress. There's about almost 30% less oxygen in the air here than there is at sea level, and the body can adjust, but it takes a day or two to adjust, or a few days to adjust. So there's a few important things that you can do to keep your visitors, family members healthy and have an enjoyable trip. Number one, if they have any medical problems, those problems should be addressed before coming up here to high altitude, specifically lung disease. They might want to see their doctor. They might want to give us a call to talk to for advice about what to do to manage their condition up here. Secondly, if they're healthy, then it's a matter of allowing the body to acclimatize at high altitude. If they're coming straight from sea level to Mountain Village, it's very helpful to spend one night somewhere in between, like Denver or Ridgeway or Placerville or Durango, where the body starts to acclimatize to altitude, but it's not high enough where they can get sick. If they're coming to the town of Telluride, the physiologic stress is much less. It's safer to come straight from sea level to here than it is to go straight to Mountain Village. So if they are frail or have a medical condition, it might be best to have them stay in town instead of in Mountain Village. And then the third thing is, on arrival, the best thing to do is to rest the first day and not overexert. Drink some extra water, enough to keep the urine clear and copious. And to avoid alcohol in the first 24 to 48 hours, or at least minimize alcohol intake, because alcohol suppresses the breathing, especially during the night, and can make the oxygen level a little lower at night. And then, perhaps most importantly, is to realize that a lot of people will get some symptoms of the altitude, such as trouble sleeping or a little headache. And when it gets worse, it feels like a hangover. And those should all pass within 24 hours, 36 hours. So it's important that if they don't pass, or if things are getting worse instead of better, it may be one of the few instances of severe altitude sickness. And those people need a medical evaluation, or at least a call to us here at the medical center to make sure that your loved one is going to be safe and healthy up here in altitude. The bottom line is, altitude offers a bit of a stress to the body, but it's well worth it for this kind of environment and enjoying the beautiful place up here in Telluride. And with a little forethought, a little knowledge, altitude is an issue that does not have to be a real problem. Thanks very much.